都営大江戸線はお乗り換えです。1番線の電車は中目黒行きです。
Hey, all work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Hey, bad guy, Heath Ledger. Ready for wherever, I'll be front and center. Don't fly too close to the sun, your body chopped up by propellers. Came in arrogant, but left out in a stretcher. The comparison, y'all know y'all couldn't replicate it. Chilling in the desert, I'm good under pressure. Stick around when we hold it down, look at what we found. This a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles. On the ground, when we to the clouds, never coming down. That's the crown on me, wear it proud, show 'em what we bout. Stick around when we hold it down, look at what we found. Said this a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles. On the ground, when we to the clouds, never coming down. That's the crown on me, wear it proud. Oh, they was talking about all work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Hey, bad guy, Heath Ledger. Ready for wherever, I'll be front and center. Quick to sever, however, whoever.
Alright guys, so we are out here at the RWB pre-meet. It's not even supposed to be a meet. It's supposed to be a hangout, you know, and them doing their thing. They didn't want to blow out the area with just a ton of people, so they listed it as like a party at the actual Hard Rock and not like an RWB pre-meet, which is what it always has been. And you know, it's the Thursday right before Tokyo Auto Salon on Friday, but I'm gonna run you guys through. It is cold out here. I had to stop and get my coffee this afternoon. What day is it? I don't even know. So I'm gonna run you guys through real quick. I'm gonna have to do some like light painting or something because it's dark out here, which is cool. Looks like a good set of cars, so let me run you guys through and show you what's out here. We got RWBs, got the 34, got a Ferrari, got a couple McLarens, so it's cool. I'll run you guys through, show you what's out here, and you guys know, this is just the start of Tokyo Auto Salon week, and it's gonna be nuts. So I guess let's get at it. All right, let's take a walk through. Let me show you guys what's out here. I'll paint some of it if I have to and put a little extra light on it. But we'll run through and I'll show you the different RWBs that are out here and all their wide body goodness. I mean, they just look so good. You guys comment, what do you think? You know, is the RWB your style? Is, you know, the non-wide body look? GT3. I mean, that's a good looking car right there. Center locks. Sounds like you just started up the Ferrari. But let me walk you guys through. I'll bring you guys up and down a little bit this row. Show you, we got a couple 34s here. I'll light them up. Top rank 34, you got the Testarossa pulling out. Let me get that for you. I wanted to call it a Testarossa, but it's not. I'll have to get a better look at it. I'm not even sure what it is in the end. What do you guys think? It's pretty sick. Oh, cool. He's gonna park it so we'll get another look at it. Got the McLaren down here. It's just kind of a fun set of cars that's out here. See if we get you guys a little look of it. Now we got the 234s. Let me go back to those real quick for you. I know the one that was behind was It's looks like a top rank car, which is cool. So this is where we were with the GT3. So what do you guys think? GT3, no wide body, no, you know, got the center locks on it, but what do you guys think compared to the RWB that's just huge, wide bodied out? I don't know. I mean, I guess it depends on, in the end, what your purpose is with the car, because the wide body looks super great, and they're functional. I see them at the track all the time out here at Scuba, but I don't know, like the standard, I'll call it a narrow body because it's not wide, you know, kind of the narrow bodied, I don't know, they do something. You guys know, I'm a big GT3, you know, GT2, especially if it's a like GT2 RS. That's my favorite out of the group. But like I was saying, this is typically the pre-meet that's the startup for, you know, heading over to Tokyo Auto Salon tomorrow. And they've been doing it for years. They changed locations when they were doing the parking lot 1 year, but then they came back. So but this is one of those like really good starts. You come out, you hang out, you know, you land, you come out in the cold, and you just come out and enjoy it, hang out for a little bit, kind of meet up with the group that's coming. I mean, there's a ton of people here that I know from the U.S. or, I mean, even SoCal. So you just kind of catch up with them, you know, say what's up to everybody, scope out what comes out, and you know, just kind of, like I said, this is your prep for Tokyo Auto Salon. This thing, just super sexy. So yeah, everybody's trying to light paint. I'm gonna mess up his lights by doing this way, but just trying to light paint it and get enough light in there. I'm using a different color than him, so I know I'm messing up his colors. Like, no rear bumper. Look how much how much wider it is off the stock body. Little GT4. It's kind of cool to see a little GT4. Got rocking the little aero discs on it. It's pretty cool. It's nice and clean. I like it. What do you guys think about that? Little GT4 RS. You got the big body. And then let's see what we had pull up over here, because looks like I got a cool, looks like a IS or wide body Evo or something. I can't tell. Let me head over into the side lot and see what's over there. Get you a little bit of what's sitting over on that side, and then I'm gonna have to run through, do some photos and everything. But they got a couple little side lots. So, you know, side lots, you always gotta take a look. Let's see if I can walk over here and get inside and see what they're hiding in here that's good. So you got the Hitachi wrap Mercedes. And then Advan themed Devo. Oh man, that looks great. Full Voltex kit. That looks really good. And then we got a Z down here. Always gotta check the side lots though. Nice little G-Wagon. And of course you got the vans. Got the big pimp vans. Best way. As much fun as it is to run around in like a fun little sports car, GTR or something else, man, we're renting a van again this year. You rent one of the vans, 7-person, that one's a little big. I'm not touring that many people around. But you rent one of the vans and you run around in one of the vans and it stores all your gear. It's super easy. Like, it's just great. You got a little LC500 right there. Let's see if I see anything else in the other lot. But like I was saying, this is pretty much like the start of Tokyo Auto Salon. Like, I've been trying to come out here. Just, I don't know how many years in a row it's been, but they last year we traded off when we did the one in the city circuit one in Odaiba, which was like this year, like, it's Hannah Burton and it's Larry Chen and Tom's, and they hold it in Odaiba over at the go-kart track over there. This year they I guess surprised everybody. They surprised me about it, and what they did is they did it a day early. So typically they do it on Thursday night, just like this, and you kind of jump in between the two events and you go to that one and then you come over to this one and you just do the whole thing. But this year they did it a day early. Oh, there's my camera. There we go. This year they did it a day early, and so the whole one over in Odaiba was yesterday, and then of course this is tonight. So next year I think I'm just gonna have to come out a week early and just get here. But anyways, I wanted to run you guys through. I wanted to do kind of, like I said, the Tokyo Auto Salon, prep out here at Hard Rock and Roppongi. Show you guys that. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna try and take a nap, get ready for the rental and Tokyo Auto Salon, and we're just gonna get at it and have some fun. So, you guys, if you haven't been on my channel before, this is what I do. I run around, do a bunch of car stuff. I'm based out of SoCal. I come out here to Japan, do this, and man, I just cover car stuff for everybody. So if you like what I do, hit that subscribe, hit that notification. We'll keep doing this. We'll keep having fun. You guys know, just getting started for Tokyo Auto Salon week. This week will be absolutely crazy and just a ton of fun, and we're gonna get at it. So you guys let me know what you think. Drop those comments, and that's it. I'm gonna go inside or get another hot coffee because it is cold. All right, I'll see you guys at the next one. Thanks.